And today we're discussing what is bothering people in fintech. And usually we go with the first question: what brings you to the conference?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here. It's a pleasure to talk to you. I mean, we are, as myself, are very, very involved in financial technology. And it's great to be here and meet with some industry leaders, high street banks, institutions, and of course, infrastructure players.
And what is the area of interest? Are you providing them infrastructure? Are you providing the specific services?
Yeah, sorry, I should have do the introduction. So yeah, my name is Sergey, and I represent ElCoin, which provides core banking systems and digital banking infrastructures for those players.
Yeah, nice. Is it more SaaS based on prem? Because a lot of players right now on the core banking systems like Tomb, Mambu, big names, smaller names. So
yeah,
what is your product?
The competition is quite tough there, to be honest. It's true. We are cloud native, we are SaaS. But with the focus on digital assets and crypto native compatibilities.
Oh, that's nice. And what do you think the industry nailed this year?
Oh, I think that's definitely is the payments area. We see a lot of initiatives cross-border. We see a lot of initiatives also locally here in Europe, like verification of payee service, as well as different regulation that we saw in MiCA, for instance, and adoption of MiCA across the Europe. But also we see that there is a tremendous amount of motion that is going to breach the digital assets and traditional assets as well, which is of course very exciting time.
Talking about the digital assets, like the more time comes, the less the barrier between different types of the assets. And I would say right now the store value and transactional value, they're emerging, because if you have the crypto or tokenized assets, it's so easy to move, but also is easy to store the value. What do you think? Is it going to merge altogether the real fiat with the digital assets, or we still have really the differentiation and different, let's say, ability to use those instruments?
That's a brilliant question. And I think the most important thing is the trust.
Yeah.
And getting the trust right is crucial for this convergence. Still, there are a lot of challenges, of course. The alignment in terms of anti-money laundering regulations, which is a necessary step to make the industry safer place. But when we come to the digital asset side, we see more potential of stablecoins.
Yeah.
We see more potential in payments, especially. And also those initiatives could hugely merge the payment services gap where they are. So take just, for instance, that the fact that we have MiCA compliant asset class currently. Those are with sufficient backing. Those are with transparent token minting and token,
issuing process.
Exactly. And that's what is important, is to get the alignment on the regulatory, but also get this fancy technology in our best and safest implementation. Yeah,
that's definitely true. And that's what we hear here on the Sibos, like the announcement of Swift using the blockchain. Yeah. That's one question. But another one, Visa announced that they go into tokenize and provide the stablecoins inside the network. Is it kind of the play on other field because it's not fiat? What do you think about those movements by Swift and Visa?
I mean, of course, it's a matter of technological diversification. So if you think of that, is you take some amateur technology, you invest in that, and you are on the cutting edge.
Yeah.
Because obviously this will, if proven to be very successful, it will drive your revenues, it will drive your market presence. The blockchain market is just creating, same with AI, same with quantum computing. This all are technology bets.
Yeah.
And it takes so much investment to start it's going, rather than starting with something you can use and operate.
Yeah, that's true. Adoption is another resource is required.
Exactly.
And what do you think is going to be the challenge for the next year for the whole industry?
Well, some of the clever insights I actually personally took from this event so far is the compatibility.
Yeah.
And it comes at different angles. You can talk about compatibility on regulatory level, on the compliance. I mean, we take it more from a technology level. And in particular, how could you unite different systems?
Yeah.
So take, for instance, payment card systems. They operate almost instant, tap and pay, tap and go.
On one level.
Indeed. But you also have the blockchain. And something the blockchain is never going to give you is the SLA backing.
Yeah.
Of course, we have Solana, who are, top of the game when it comes to performance and some of the similar ones. But whenever we're comparing the centralized system, you have the authority and you have the backer. that is underlying the responsible performance, right? So taking this ISO, taking this blockchain into one single umbrella, I think that's what would be the challenge of not only this year, but actually,
but for upcoming years.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for the insightful conversation. It was really a pleasure.
Yeah.
Have a great day.
Yeah.